As seen earlier, when we open Excel first time, Excel displays this screen called as Start Screen. In this screen, if we select blank workbook template, then Excel displays screen known as workbook screen. In this lecture, let us understand details of this workbook screen. At left top corner, you will see tab called as File. And if you click on this, Excel will display screen called as Backstage View. Backstage View has many components in its left panel which we'll have to use while working on Excel file. For example, we have Save command, Print command, Share command, etc. Below File tab, what you see in workbook screen is tab ribbon. Why it is called tab ribbon? If you see on the top, you have various tabs. Example, if you click on Insert tab, a ribbon will show you commands icons related to insert. And if you click on Page Layout, ribbon will display commands related to page layout. Likewise, you will observe for formulas, data, review, etc. So on top side, we have different tabs, and ribbon below will show us related command icons. We are going to see more details about ribbons and their features later on. The major portion below which you can see is known as workbook. Now if you see this workbook in detail, you will notice that it has alphabetical headings starting from A, B, C, D, etc. These are given to represent individual columns, and if you see on left, you will find numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. which are given to represent rows in Excel. Whenever one column intersects with one row, rectangle shape is created which is called as cell. Every cell in Excel is having its address such as its column heading and row number put together. For example, this cell will have its address as E5 and which can be seen at this location called as name box. Whenever you click in Excel using your mouse pointer, cell gets selected and becomes active. Once particular cell becomes active, you can input any data in that cell. Also note one more thing about mouse pointer, that in Excel it takes up different shapes. For example, when I double click inside any cell, it changes to I shape, allowing us to type using keyboard. If we move near lower right corner of any cell, then shape changes to small black plus sign called as cell handle. On lower left side, you will see status bar which is showing current status of Excel file as ready, meaning you can work on this file. On the right hand side, you will see scroll bars. As you go on filling your data, to move around in rows, you have vertical scroll bars, and to move around in columns, you have horizontal scroll bars. Also at right bottom, we have view tabs using which you can have various views like page layout view, normal view, etc. Also you can see zoom slider alongside which you can use to zoom in and zoom out in Excel. So basically there are three major components in Excel. First, Excel Backstage View, which appears when you click on File tab. Then second one is a tabbed ribbon, which provide various commands icons to use in Excel. And last one is Excel workbook portion, where we actually work in Excel. Now in subsequent lectures, we will go through details of backstage screen and ribbon.